Today we'll be seeing making of rasam upma. It's a variety upma recipe. If you are a new subscriber, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you are an existing subscriber, please do not forget to hit the bell notification next to subscribe for regular updates. Let's go to my kitchen to see the making of rasam upma. In this recipe, we make use of 3 chopped tomatoes, 1 glass of roasted semolina, also called rava or suji. We have made use of 2 teaspoons of samba powder, ½ inch nicely chopped ginger, 2 minced green chilies, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon peppercorns. We'll now put chopped tomatoes in a blender, followed by garlic, peppercorns, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We'll now blend all these ingredients properly. Let's blend all these ingredients into a fine paste. Now onto a hot pan, we add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, followed by mustard seeds, and allow it to splatter. Now that the spluttering is almost over, we'll add the minced green chilies, chopped ginger, followed by curry leaves. We will stir it in between. I have also added 1 cut dry chili to this. It's now time to add the tomato puree into the pan. We'll allow this puree to cook for some time. In total, I've added 2 glasses of hot water at different stages. Instead of that, it would be a better idea to add the 2 glasses of water now. Keep stirring it well, we don't want the content to get burnt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt to this. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of rasam powder to this. Mix it well and keep stirring in between. I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of rasam powder. At this stage, I'm adding some water. I just tasted it. We need 1 more teaspoon of salt. Time to add rava into this liquid. While adding rava, keep stirring in between, otherwise there would be lumps formed. Keep adding hot water in between. Instead of pouring hot water like this while cooking in between, you can add 2 glasses of water in the beginning itself after tomato puree is poured into the pan. We'll keep stirring the upma in between. We don't want this to form any lumps. Yes, our rasam upma is ready now. We'll transfer this into a bowl. We transfer this rava upma into a bowl to give it a shape. Now we'll transfer this into a plate. We'll decorate our rasam upma with some curry leaves. It really looks great and I'm getting an awesome aroma. It's time to taste the dish. I tasted this rasam upma. It tastes really yum, and do try it at home and let me know how you liked it. Thank you for watching the video.